For this moment since the day I was born, since before I made tapes that got ignored, since before I had a rap name and started to record, I've been chilling in the back, getting prepared for war. I got a strategy. This isn't random rapid fire, this is one shot, headed for Goliath. I can't miss, target practice on topics, flipping rhymes off the top, waiting for this one chance to throw my rock on. The least expected to defeat the beast. Judgments pass to blast my confidence. I won't surrender or retreat, return my gifts to the sender. This is worship in the chaos, this is heavy concentration. Got my game face on, interruption and noise flooding from a mouth of silence. I'm nobody, expected us battling a giant. He stands and mocks me, everyone thinks I'm crazy, laughing as if I'm not aware of who I'm facing. Goliath, I sat back and watched for too long. You can't hold me down anymore. Goliath, it's been going on for too long. I'm sick and tired, now I'm taking out the giant. Goliath, I sat back and watched for too long. You can't hold us down anymore. Goliath, it's been going on for too long. I'm sick and tired, now I'm taking out the giant. And his shadow covers the countryside. We're dwelling in the darkness, running away while he's running things.